you guys, it's Shannon. You guys are on my channel, oh my, and this is just a little video that I'm going to do. Hopefully I can catch some stuff, but we're in Galveston right now, and as you guys know, we have Hurricane Laura that is supposed to be coming our way. So I'm going to try and get here tomorrow, and of course I'm going to put these videos together to see what the change is going to be. As long as I've lived here and been through as many hurricanes as I have been through, I've never really come to the beach when one was on its way. So this is new for me, but exciting because I've always wanted to do it, and so I'm going to do it. But let me flip you guys around and show you. It's just like any other day at the beach right now. So I'm figuring they're saying about 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, it's going to start to change. So let me flip you around and show you. There she is. It's just like any other day at the beach. Clear skies. Doesn't look like there's a storm out there brewing at all, y'all. Nothing at all, but we will see. Are we ready for her? Yes, we are ready for the hurricane. We have our supplies at home. We will board up and all that good stuff. And if we could, we'd have a hurricane party, but we just can't do that, unfortunately. But it would be awesome if we could. So I will get back with y'all.
Galveston, North Galveston.
I'm just doing a little walk on the beach. It's so peaceful out here. This is a place that I love very much. Anything by the water. It can be any kind of water. Lake, river, a stream, the beach, anything. The water is just so peaceful and relaxing to me. The tide is high. Look at all the seagulls. They're just doing their thing. giving you guys an update. We are maybe 36 hours out from when Laura's supposed to hit. She changed course some, so she moved further west, so that means in our area we're going to get a little bit more of the impact of Miss Hurricane Laura. So we are now fixing to start preparing for her impact, which again, she can change course again. It's still, you know, a lot can happen in 36 hours. So we are by Galveston Island. So we're still in the flood area where our surge can be anywhere from 3 to 9 feet. But we are doing, you know, we're getting our generator ready. We're gassing up our vehicles. So we're making sure all the vehicles are gassed up, including all the kids. What else? I'm going to go through and take inventory of what we've got to make sure that we got plenty of canned goods, and then just some last minute stuff that we may want to pick up. A lot of it is like water and bread, you know, and extra canned goods and stuff, just to have, because you just never know. But we are getting ready because they are doing a mandatory evacuation of the island at noon. So yeah, a lot to do in a little bit of time. And then we still got to go to my mom's house and board her up, which she only lives about a block away from us. So yeah, we are getting ready for all of that good stuff. So I will check in with y'all shortly.
Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be.
Okay, you guys, there is the Gulf. Is it less than 48 hours before Laura hits? So you can see that the clouds, the sky is just a lot different than yesterday. It is right at 12 o'clock Wednesday afternoon, and we're going to try and make it down by the coast later on this evening as Laura gets closer to hit landfall. So far it looks like she's going to dodge us, but I'm out here looking at the sky and you can see how the clouds are just moving and they're starting to do a circular motion. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see or tell, but they are just like, from where I'm at, I can see it. They're just moving, and they're moving from the right to the left on my side. Maybe from the right to the left on y'all's side. Not really sure. But, and the wind is picked up, and we are probably 15 miles inland from Galveston Island. So the wind is starting to pick up some. This morning when I woke up, it was raining. You know, it was a nice shower, but it wasn't nothing extravagant or extreme or anything like that. It was just a nice, decent shower. But the wind is starting to pick up a little bit. But from what they're saying so far, it looks like she jogged a little bit more east. So that kind of puts us a little bit further out of her path, but we're still supposed to get affected by her. Mainly with surging on the coast, you know, Galveston Island and the Bolivar Peninsula area, and all along there that's closest to us. We're supposed to get a lot of high winds. So we just have to watch the high winds as far as, you know, making sure everything's tied down, put up to where we don't have a lot of debris flying in the yard, to where it flies off and just, you know, damages the cars and stuff like that. So we're stocked up, we're ready. So we'll just have to wait and see if she changes course again. We don't know, but it's getting close. Unfortunately, she's going to be hitting in the middle of the night. So that kind of, we don't like that. If she hits during the day, we're cool with that. Nighttime, it's just a sleepless night because you just never know the unpredictability of it all. So, but I'll check back in with y'all in a bit. Guys, just a little update. We come over to my mom's house. She just lives maybe about block and a half away, and we are fixing to board her place up just to be on the safe side, because Laura is now a Category 4 and she has not made landfall, so she still has time to build up strength and become a Cat 5. So here comes the fun part.
Good, you love it.
Y'all, it's Thursday, and no damage, no nothing from the hurricane. We are still here. I'm a little irritated because I went and rushed and made sure that we had extra of everything. And then now we got to go and take plywood down and put the yard furniture back out in the yard. But better safe than sorry. So I don't know. Until the next video, y'all, take care and God bless.